Here's a new 2019 Cadillac XTS. Artfully crafted inside and out, this XTS immerses you in the experience of luxury. It comes with all the amenities you need. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, power tilt-down heated mirrors, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, automated parking sensors, auto-dimming mirrors, dual-zone climate control, V6 engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com adds the 2016 XTS's real leg up on the competition is its spacious interior, particularly in the back seat, as well as its cavernous trunk. Cadillac is driving the world forward. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
Call us today at 1-866-389-4996.